This is the Easy Living Yards podcast. I'm your super excited host, Ben Hale. Let's jump in and learn how to have a healthy, beautiful yard with less work so you can enjoy more time doing what you love. What's up and welcome to episode 20 of the Easy Living Yards podcast. Wait a minute. What? Did you hear that? That's right, guys. I have a big change to announce today. If this is your first episode, I'm super excited you're here. And you don't have to listen to anything about what I'm just about to say right here. But if you guys have been listening to any previous episodes, you know that we have been the Aesthetic Ecosystems podcast. And we are making a big change today. That's right. I am announcing our new brand for this podcast and for our company. And our new name is Easy Living Yards and the Easy Living Yards podcast. So, of course, you can go to easylivingyards.com. It's a little easier to spell, a little easier to understand, and that, in a nutshell, is why we're changing our brand entity. And really, I just wanted to have a clearer message to reach folks like you to help change our lives through our yards. That's what we're really all about. Now, I'm going to get into this a little bit more later, but before that, I also want to announce another big change. So that's right, 2 big changes in one day. And so aside from changing our brand, the other big change is this is our first interview show. That's right. So I am bringing on not 1, but 2 people today to interview. And these are very, very special people to me that have made a huge impact on my company and my brand. And I want to share that with all of you so you guys can also touch into a little bit of my passion and to understand more about why we're here. So let's go ahead and introduce these 2 amazing people. Now, these 2 individuals both have had a major influence on why I totally launched this endeavor to begin with, why I launched Aesthetic Ecosystems, why I'm moving to the Easy Living Yards brand, and why I'm keep moving forward to reaching more people and making a big difference in everybody's lives through our yards so we can live more passionately with our families. These 2 people are both very courageous. They're striving for greatness every day of life, and they live life fully and in the moment, and that's what I really admire. Also, these 2 people are great teachers of what's really important in life and focusing on those things. If that's not enough, they're also 2 of my biggest supporters for this show and for my company. And for that, I am incredibly, incredibly thankful. And so without further ado, I'd like to introduce sequentially Lucas Hale and Adam Hale. That's right. My 2 older boys, these guys are a huge, huge inspiration for me, and I really want to bring them on and just share their insights with you guys and to hear their voices, in their words, what we're all about here. Hi, Lucas. How are you?
Good.
Good. Welcome to the podcast. Are you excited to be here?
Yes.
Yes. Can you say how old you are?
5.
5? Yeah. What are some of your favorite activities?
Going down to the slide into the pool.
Going down the slide into the pool? Yeah. What else do you like to do?
And play outside.
Play outside. Those are some fun things. What do you like to play outside?
The pool. The pool.
You're really into the pool right now?
Mm-hmm.
Is that fun? Mm-hmm. Can you tell everybody what we did for the pool just the other day?
You know what we did for the pool? Just the other day.
What did we do?
We turned our play gym slide into a water slide.
Yeah, we turned it into a water slide, didn't we? How did we do that?
With the sprinkler, with the hose clips to the play gym and a sprinkler on and sprayed onto the slide. Then we went down into the pool.
Into the pool? Where was the pool at?
In the pool, part of it was under the slide, and we went down it and splashed into the pool.
Well, it doesn't sound like you had very much fun, did
Yes.
you? Yes. Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it? Yeah, we did that for Father's Day, didn't we? Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was a fun Father's Day. Thank you. Mm-hmm. Do you think Mommy and Daddy have enough time to play with you?
Yes.
We do?
Mm-hmm.
Do you wish we had more time to play with you?
Yes.
Yeah. How much more time?
Up higher than outer space.
Up higher than outer space. That's a lot of time.
Mm-hmm.
What would you like to do with Mommy and Daddy with all that time?
Playing whatever options Daddy and Mommy have.
Oh, yeah. All the options. You like it when we give you the options of what to play? Yeah. What's some of your favorite options?
I'm washing the car.
Washing the car? Yeah.
And the pool.
The pool?
Miss Margaret's pool.
Oh, Miss Margaret's pool. Yeah. That's a fun pool.
And the fire truck thing in Miss Margaret's pool.
Oh,
It's a blow. It blows up with air, and then you can get on it, and it floats.
Yeah. Hey, do you like being on the podcast?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you do. All right. Well, I have some more questions for you. You want to hear some more questions? Yeah. Do you remember what our new name is?
Easy Living Yards.
That's right. Easy Living Yards. And do you know what that means?
No.
No? What do you think it means?
Having a healthy yard.
Having a healthy yard? Yeah. Do you think it's hard or easy to do that?
Easy.
That's what we want, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. That's good. Would you like to have more time together as a family?
Yes.
Yes. Why?
Because so we can play a lot.
So we can play a lot. That's important, right? Yeah. Is there anything else you want to tell everybody? You'd like? What did you think I was going to ask you today? Did you have any questions you thought I was going to ask you?
What plants are native?
Oh, what plant? You listened to the Native Plants podcast, didn't you? Yeah, and exotic ones. Yeah. Do we have any native plants?
Echinacea.
That's right, echinacea. Where do we have that growing?
And we have echinacea growing in our front flower bed by the porch.
That's right. Yeah, and is it pretty?
It's pretty. And one's done blooming.
One's done blooming? Are there more that came up today?
Yeah, there's more that came up today.
Yeah, do you love it? Me too. All right. Well, I think that's all for today with the podcast. Thank you for coming on the podcast, Lucas. Do you want to say you're welcome?
You're welcome.
I had fun with you.
I had fun with you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Adam. How are you?
Good.
Good? Can you say how old you are?
2.
2. Yeah. And what letter does your name start with?
A.
A. Yeah. That's right. What is something fun that you did today?
Can drink.
You got a drink. That was fun. Did you go anywhere today? No? Did you go anywhere that splashed? No? To the pool? Yes. Yes. Did you have any fun today? Yes? Can you use your words?
We're going to the pool today.
You went to the pool today. Oh, great. What do you like to play outside?
Sand toys.
Shed toys? What kind of shed toys do you have?
Screwdrivers.
Screwdrivers, yes. You like to play with your screwdrivers. What else?
Shovels.
Shovels, yeah. We have all sorts of tools in the shed, don't we?
Yeah.
You work hard with your tools? Yes? Yeah. What's the best thing you like to do outside?
What's this?
That's a microphone. That's what we're talking into. That's what hears us. Do you like to play with Mommy and Daddy? Use your word.
Yes.
Yes? What do you like to do with Mommy and Daddy? What's something you like to do?
Play out back.
Play out back. Oh, yeah. That's fun. What is something you like to do with your big brother?
My little brother.
Your big brother. Who's your big brother?
Lucas.
Lucas? Yeah, what do you like to do with Lucas?
It's raining.
It's raining. Oh my goodness, it is raining right now. While we're talking in the podcast, huh?
Yeah!
Yeah. Wow, that's pretty cool. Do you like to do anything with Lucas?
I like to do, here and that.
Not sure? You're not sure what you like to do? Do you like to play with toys with him? Yes? Yeah. What do you like to do with who's your little brother?
Caleb.
Caleb? What do you like to do with him? Do you give him lots of something?
Toys.
Lots of toys? What about kisses? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm talking again.
Well, yeah, we'll listen to it after we're all done, okay? What is the favorite thing you like to do with our family?
Work on your computer.
Work on my computer? Is that what Daddy does a lot? Yeah. Is there something fun you like to do as a family? What?
Play around with Maya.
Play around with Maya, our kitty cat? Yeah. What is the silliest thing that Daddy does?
Hide and seek.
What?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek? That's silly. Yeah. Well, thank you for coming on the podcast, Adam.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Yeah. You did a great job. Bye-bye.
Are we talking here?
I'm talking there. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you say hi, Caleb? Are you making noises?
Can you say hi, Dada?
Well, there you have it, guys. From their mouth, directly from the guys that really inspire me. They're a huge part of my why. And what's my why? Well, my why is what makes me get up in the morning, what makes me tick, and I hope you guys have a why too. And it's not necessarily just one thing, and that's why I said they're a big part of my why. I am driven by two major things here. First is living a better life with my family. And second, making tomorrow better than today. That's in the closing tagline for the show, right? And there's a reason for that. So because of my why, I want to help you and your family live a better life as well. That's right. This podcast, while we talk mostly about landscapes and plants and yard work and stuff like that, this podcast is about life. It's improving how you live. That's what we're really talking about here. The reason we're looking to save time in our landscapes is so we can do other things and live with passion, so we can make tomorrow better than today. I want you to be able to spend more time with your family and the people that you love and doing the things that are more important than mowing the lawn. Your life is not for your yard. Your yard is for your life. And that's why we're rebranding to Easy Living Yards. Let's make it easy. Let's make yards for living. And with that, guys, I want to wrap up today. Just a couple little things real quick. I've put links in the show notes to easylivingyards.com just to help you navigate to the new website. If you go to aestheticecosystems.com, you'll still make it to easylivingyards.com. If you have any questions for the show, go on over to easylivingyards.com/pod, and there you can ask a question. There's a link in the show notes. Likewise, if you want to go deeper on any of this stuff, you can reach out to me for consultation, and there's a link in the show notes for that as well. So everyone, thank you for tuning in, and make sure you live with passion and make tomorrow better than today.
I listen to it.
Okay, let's listen. You want to say something? Say testing.
That's then.
I want to see how it works.
I see how it works.